Ever felt as if life has lost its technicolor vibrancy, leaving you in a world of monochrome? Once upon a time, the pages of books were devoured. Hobbies were a source of joy, and laughter was your signature. Nowadays, even the simplest tasks seem like Herculean challenges. But don't worry, you're not alone. In fact, research shows that over 90% of individuals will go through periods of feeling uninspired, unmotivated, and generally stuck. This doesn't mean you're lazy or defective. Rather, it may be an indication that your brain is defaulting to survival mode. Remember those carefree days of childhood, when every day was an adventure, every experience a novelty, and the world was a playground for your imagination? That's because your brain was programmed for discovery. It thrived on the new and exciting. Fast forward to the present, where survival often takes precedence. With bills to pay, looming deadlines, and responsibilities that never seem to end, stress becomes a constant companion. This stress induces a primitive reaction in our brains known as the freeze response. When confronted with a threat, even a perceived one like an overflowing to-do list, our brains suspend non-essential functions. This includes that creative spark or the impetus to embark on a new endeavor. So you find yourself trapped. You know there's something that needs doing, but you just can't muster the enthusiasm. The world appears devoid of color, and the relentless cycle of busyness and distraction becomes your reality. The common pitfall is to believe the solution lies in pushing harder. More motivational quotes, lengthier to-do lists, one more cup of coffee. But when your brain is in freeze mode, pushing only serves to deepen the rut. But there's a silver lining. What if, instead of pushing, we gave ourselves permission to be stuck, just for a bit? Try this. Carve out a 30-minute slot in your schedule and label it do nothing. Sit in solitude, away from the chaos. Allow your thoughts to meander. You might be astonished at what surfaces. Often, the initial question that bubbles up is, what's happening? This simple query can be the catalyst for transformation. It provides an opportunity to acknowledge your current state and invites introspection. Feeling frustrated, shedding tears? That's a positive sign. It suggests that the old, stagnant phase is drawing to a close, making way for a new chapter. This is not an endorsement for perpetual inaction. Rather, it's an encouragement to start small. Celebrate minor victories, getting out of bed, going for a walk, jotting down a sentence in your journal. These seemingly insignificant steps lay the foundation for more significant changes, like picking up a new hobby, embarking on a passion project, or even globetrotting. Remember, the aim isn't to force yourself back into an existence that has lost its luster. It's about re-establishing a connection with yourself, rekindling that which ignites your passion, and crafting a life that is vibrant and fulfilling once more. Please share your own small steps towards breaking free from this rut in the comments below. Let's motivate one another. If you found this video insightful, please like and subscribe for more journeys into the intriguing realm of self-discovery and personal growth.